Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Slack notifications for LinkedIn outreach tasks step by step clearly. Open your Slack application. Navigate to your workspace where you want to enable the notifications. Click on the workspace name at the top left corner. Select Administration from the drop-down menu. Choose Manage Apps to access the app management page. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Locate the LinkedIn integration from the search results. Click on the Add Configuration button next to the LinkedIn integration. Authenticate your LinkedIn account by following the prompts. Once authenticated, return to the LinkedIn integration settings in Slack. Select the specific LinkedIn outreach tasks you want to receive notifications for. Enable notifications for these tasks by toggling the switch to on. Customize the notification preferences according to your needs. Decide if you want notifications in specific channels or direct messages. Save your changes to apply the new notification settings. To test the notifications, perform a sample outreach task on LinkedIn. Check your Slack app to ensure you receive the notifications as expected. Adjust settings if necessary to refine the notification frequency or type. Keep your Slack and LinkedIn integrations up to date for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.